Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. You can't send message for 3 days on Instagram. So if you are facing the same issue that you send message and you will receive a notification like you can't send message for 3 days, something you said in a chat were against our community and guidelines. So I'm going to show you the solution. So first of all, I will tell you that this is the guideline from Instagram that maybe you are sending 18 plus content on the messages on Instagram. Maybe this was the reason. That's why Instagram made restrictions on your account, and it's not sure that you are on the mistake. Maybe it's a bug or it's a glitch from Instagram. So for this, what you have to do is you have to tap and hold on Instagram and go for app info, and then what you have to do is just simply tap on this uninstall, and after installing you have to reinstall the Instagram. And after this, if there is a bug or if there is a glitch, it will be solved. And after reinstalling it, just open the Instagram application again, and then what you have to do is you have to take a screenshot of the problem and then tap on your profile icon, and then tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, go for settings and tap on this help, and then you have to click on this report a problem, then again click on this report a problem. And now what you have to do is you have to tell something like this: hello Instagram, I can send messages on Instagram, I didn't do any mistakes, but I'm facing some restrictions. And you also have to tap on this gallery and make sure to upload the screenshots of your problem. And then after doing this all process, what you have to do is you have to tap on this next and then tap on send report, and that's it. Instagram will be contact you soon, and hopefully they will solve your problem. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.